Good morning. It's 2:45, 2:50, something like that, a.m. Not sleeping well. That light turns on and off randomly. That fan up there behind me turns on and off randomly. But just long enough to wake me back up. This is my pillow. Yeah, see? Maybe it's my movement, I don't know. But I know I'm laying still when they wake me up. Anyway, see, it turns off. That's my pillow. Turn back on. Went out to check on my gear, and it's all soaking wet and muddy, and a raccoon or possum or something got into it and pulled out all the food and got into the 5-gallon bucket where Molly's food is, and all of Molly's food soaking wet. I was able to save some of it though, a couple pounds. I took all my clothes off and put it under the hand dryer until it was dry, and then I sat under it until my hair was dry. My shoes are damp, but they're dry enough to wear. I'm tired. I'm real tired. The shower leaks over here, so it drips and just drip, 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 drip. So there's no sleep to be had. When it rains, water comes in under the door. It goes right through the middle of the floor, so I have to either lay right over here against the shower where it's wet and dripping, or over by the toilet, and that ain't happening. I could go get in my tent, but if I did, Molly would have nowhere to go, so she'd have to lay out there in the rain. And I'm not going to do that to her. I'd rather stay up all night long than make her lay in the rain. I'm not going to lock her in the bathroom either. I mean, I could do that, but I can't lock it, so I'd basically be leaving her in here for the next person to come in and let her out or freak out or whatever. But anyway, that's my update. Deuces. Love you guys. Bye.